can keep your car running for hundreds of thousands of miles if you give it the right care. Here are some tips to keep your ride going strong. Starting with the most obvious but still most important tip, stick to your car's maintenance schedule. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and tune-ups keep your car running smoothly. Follow your owner's manual for your car's specific service intervals. Small problems can turn into big and expensive problems when they're not addressed. So, take care of any minor issues before they become big headaches. Find a mechanic that you trust and gives you a good deal, and keep going back. At the very least, your car will have someone who's familiar with it working on it. And hey, you might even get some perks from the mechanic as a loyal customer. Oil changes and fluid top-ups are pretty easy for the average person to do. Just make sure you're using the right stuff. Don't cheap out, but also don't think the most expensive is necessarily the best. Your owner's manual should tell you which fluids to use. Stick to that. If you made it this far, thanks. We have a part 2 coming out, so keep a lookout for that.